In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ledger Live on a new computer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the official Ledger website. There's a link down below via which you can come to the official website. And also, if you make any purchases via my link, you'll get the best prices for the official Ledger devices and also support my channel. So thank you if you decide to do this. Now, here, after you're on the website, you want to click on Apps and Services and click on Ledger Live. Here inside Ledger Live, select your operating system. For me, it's going to be Windows, and you want to just click on the one you want, and it's going to download it to your computer. Once Ledger Live is downloaded, simply click on it, and then it's going to run up the installer for Ledger Live. And here you can just select where you want it to be installed and click on install, wait for a few seconds, and your Ledger Live app will be installed to your computer. From here, you then can open up the Ledger Live. So as you can see, it's already installed for me. And if you're trying to actually install this on a new computer, I'm assuming you already have set up your Ledger device. So click on Get Started. Select one of your Ledger devices. So for me, I have the Nano S Plus. I'm going to click on Select. And here, if it's the first time using your Nano S Plus, of course, you want to click over here. But if you already have it and you just want to essentially sync it to a new computer, click down here where it says already have a seed price. And then here it says connect your Nano S Plus or whatever one you have. And then click on over here. And then click Check My Nano. It's going to start loading, and this is where you basically should plug it into your computer, and after that it's going to basically just guide you through. For example, the first step is to connect and unlock your device, and then you will have to sync and accept everything, and then you've successfully set up and installed Ledger Live on a new computer. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.